How can you encrypt your files on Windows using NordLocker? This is a guide on how to encrypt your files or folders on Windows using the NordLocker application. Follow the steps below. 1. Open and log in to the NordLocker application. 2. Press the plus add button and select add files or add folders depending on what you wish to encrypt. 3. Navigate to the directory where the file or folder resides, click on it, and press open. Note, alternatively, you can select files or folders from your computer and simply drag them into the NordLocker application window, it will work the same way. 4. Select the file or folder that you wish to encrypt, and click Create Locker to share -save as, choose a directory where you wish to save and click Save. That's it, you have encrypted your file. Now you are the only one who can access it, by entering your master password. That's unless you'll share the access with someone else as well.